That sounds like a great topic. A first-person perspective works really well for financial content as it builds trust and authority. I'll make sure the script is detailed, straight to the point, and focuses on answering the viewer's question about the best Monzo account for them. Here is a detailed script for your video. Best Monzo account type for you. Best Monzo account type for you. Video script. Are you trying to figure out which Monzo account is actually right for your financial goals? I first started using Monzo years ago with just their basic current account, but as my own financial situation changed, moving abroad for a bit, needing better budgeting tools, and eventually looking for higher interest, I had to actively compare all their tiers. It's not just a bank, it's a specific financial tool, and the best type depends entirely on what you need it to do for you right now. Today, I'm breaking down the three main Monzo account types: the standard current account, Monzo Plus, and Monzo Premium. I'll cover the cost, the key benefits I personally find most valuable, and who each one is perfectly suited for. 1. The Monzo Standard Current Account. The standard account is where most people start, and honestly, for many, it's all they'll ever need. The cost, $0 per month. It's completely free. My personal take, this account is the ultimate digital foundation. The best feature, in my opinion, is the real-time notification system and the basic digital envelopes, which Monzo calls pots. It makes tracking your spending effortless. I still use a standard account for things like joint accounts with my partner because we don't need any frills for shared bills. Who this is best for? The budgeting beginner. If you're new to digital banking and just want an easy way to track your spending and separate bill money from spending money. The occasional traveler. You get fee-free spending abroad, which is a massive benefit, though ATM withdrawals outside the UK are capped at $250 every 30 days. 2. Monzo Plus. Monzo Plus is the first step up, and it's geared towards those who are serious about budgeting and a little extra security. The cost, currently $/text, $5 a month with a minimum 3-month commitment. My personal take, the main reason I upgraded to Plus was for the connected accounts feature. It gives me a single dashboard inside the Monzo app to see my balances from my other traditional banks like Barclays and Lloyds. This feature alone makes my money management so much cleaner. Secondly, the custom holographic card is a nice touch, but the real benefit is the higher interest on savings pots and the increased fee-free foreign ATM limit of $/text, $400, every 30 days. The exclusive perks. Credit Score Insights gives you a detailed look at your credit score within the app. Virtual cards. This is critical for online shopping. I can generate a unique card number for subscriptions or online stores, meaning my main card number is safe. If a retailer is breached, I just delete the virtual card. Who this is best for? The savvy budgeter. If you have money across multiple banks but want to use Monzo as your central budgeting and tracking hub. The regular traveler. If you travel more than once or twice a year, the doubled foreign ATM limit is invaluable. 3. Monzo Premium. This is Monzo's top-tier offering, and the cost jumps significantly because it includes comprehensive insurance. The cost, currently $/text, $15 a month with a 6-month minimum commitment. My personal take, you don't get this account for the bank features, you get it for the insurance bundle. I only use Premium when I'm traveling extensively because the worldwide travel insurance is comprehensive, covering medical bills, lost baggage, and cancellations. The other huge benefit is the phone insurance, which covers phone damage, loss, or theft, provided you pay your monthly phone bill using Monzo. The financial uplift. Monzo Plus features included. You get everything from the Plus tier. Higher interest. The interest rate on your savings pots is slightly higher than the Plus account. Higher ATM limit. The fee-free foreign ATM withdrawal limit increases to $/text, $600, every 30 days. Metal card. You also get a heavy, shiny metal card, which is a pure status symbol, but it's part of the package. Who this is best for? The frequent global traveler, if you take several trips a year and would be paying for separate, high-quality travel and phone insurance anyway, this bundle is likely to save you money. The one-stop shop user, if you want all your insurance and banking tied up in one premium product. Summary and recommendation. To wrap up my own experience and recommendations. Start with standard. Seriously, everyone should start here. It's free and the foundation is excellent. Upgrade to Plus if you have multiple bank accounts and need to see them all in one place, or you want the added protection of virtual cards and better savings pot interest. Upgrade to Premium if the combined value of the worldwide travel insurance and phone insurance exceeds $/text £15 a month for you. If you don't travel often or already have phone insurance, this tier is probably not worth the cost. Choose the account that solves your most immediate financial problem, whether that's simple tracking, consolidated budgeting, or comprehensive travel protection. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.